Okay guys, I'm trying an experiment. The first time boogie boarding. Oh, this is like it. First time boogie boarding in Hawaii. I haven't done it for a few years. Let's give it a go, shall we? This could be bad. This could be really bad. Where is it? There it is. That's beautiful. You made it something. For the first one, for a long time, that was a good one. Oh, good wave. I like that wave. That was perfect size for us to start. Waiting for the right one. I see a nice one coming up here. Oh, good night. We'll give this one more go, and we'll get a real good one coming up. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is it. Oh, see them. There it is. Oh, I see a really good one. Too early. There's a wave. Where is, oh. Panic, we missed it. Well, it's a good wave when we need it, huh? Oh, I think this is a good one. This is a really good one. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna reach. Yeah, that's a good one. That's Hawaii for you. That was fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas. But when you see this, it's Christmas Eve. But when you see this, it won't be. Woo!